Okay, folks, here we are. Dan, the AC man, at another Subway here. We're doing a little refrigeration work here, trying to pay the bills, you know. Well, this thing here's got a refrigerant leak. It's in a pretty tight spot here. And get to it. Get this out of the way. What we're going to do is try to get a torch and fix this leak. If I can get out of here, get this thing out of here. Shoot, I'm hung up. I'm going to cause another leak trying to get this out of here. Alright. And our leak is right. It's a little walk-in cooler. And our leak is right. Get the light over here where we can see. This is the evaporator. This is the condensing unit. And our leak is right there, okay? And I'm going to use those torches right there to try to fix that leak. Alright. And if you happen to be on my video, I won't use your name. Unless you want me to. Alright, we'll turn the torches on here. The silk off. Striker and all is up here. There's my silk off. Here's my striker. And here's the torches. Alright. We're gonna fire up the old torch here. See what we can do. Hope we don't burn those wires right there. It's gonna be the biggest problem, staying away from them things. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Get up here where I get to it. See. I'm right on that wire, darn. I'll have to get them wires out of the way. Stand by. Put them wires up. Shoot. This is a hard thing to get to. But I don't know how I'm going to do that. So get me some more room here. Some way. Push some wires down. Let's see here. I'll go down one more time. I don't know if y'all can see or not. Just stand by. Let's see what we got now. Maybe that'll be out of the way. We'll try it. Let's put the light back up here. Alright. Alright, where's my striker? Where's my striker? Shoot. There it is. Here we go. Try this one more time. Oh, I hope I don't burn that wire. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Alright, we'll try it. Let's see what we got. Alright, now then, we'll let some refrigerant in there and see if we can hold pressure. Alright. And what we'll do is, we got the thing valved off where all that refrigerant went into this receiver right here. Alright. I pumped it down and put it in that receiver. Now then, I open this receiver up and let that refrigerant flow through the system. Oops. And we'll see if we got holding that pressure. Alright, let's open it up. And then we'll open this side here up as well. Let it go through. Let's see if we're holding over there. My bubbles, still bubbles. The light, you can see. Where's it at? There's the light. Let's spray some bubbles on there. See if she's holding. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but by Jove, I believe we've got it. That's it, gang. Got that leak fixed. Now then, as I told him, I've done this before. A lot of times when you fix one leak, something else will pop up and go to leaking somewhere else. But it's worth a try for that little apparatus right there. The evaporator coil probably run you about $400. Labor and all, you're looking at about somewhere around about $800-900 to replace that, and whereas this leak was probably about a, I don't know, $200 job, so it's worth a try. Alright, now all we have to do is put the top back on him and get him up there, make sure, and hopefully my wires didn't burn into. I better look at them up quick. I think they still connected. I think we're in good shape on the wires. Alright, let's put the top back on him here. Well, there we go. Put the top back on him. We've already got the refrigerant in there. Let's hook our hose up to this one in case we need any more. This is 404, refrigerant 404. It's a good medium temp refrigerant. And turn that on. Pick it upside down. Ordinarily we might run a vacuum on this if it was a big system and had a big leak, but we're going to let it go with that. There's a whole lot, so purge the air, and leave him alone. Hope for the best. Contact. And that's pretty much it, boys and girls. And they just trying to pay the bills. But we are back in the old city, another subway where they say, "Do you want it toasted?" But these look pretty good. So far, so good. So if that's it, over and out. This is Dan, your friendly AC man, over and out. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless America. Bye.